If you're thinking about investing in NetSuite for your accounting needs, there are a few things you should know before making the decision. Compared to other accounting software options, NetSuite is a robust ERP solution, but it may not be the right fit for every business. Let's dive into 12 things you should consider before purchasing. First, NetSuite is known for its powerful capabilities, but it's not the easiest to get up and running. Unlike simpler tools like QuickBooks or Xero, which are user-friendly and easy to implement, NetSuite requires more setup time, customization, and learning. You'll likely need a dedicated team or consultant for the initial setup. Next, the cost can be a major factor. NetSuite offers a comprehensive suite of features, but its pricing model can be expensive, especially for smaller businesses. Unlike the more affordable options like FreshBooks or Wave, NetSuite's pricing is based on the number of users and the modules you need. For growing businesses, this could mean a hefty investment. The third thing to consider is scalability. NetSuite shines when it comes to scaling your business. While smaller solutions might struggle as your business grows, NetSuite is built to handle complex financials, inventory, and customer data across multiple locations. If you're planning to expand, NetSuite can grow with you. The fourth thing is that NetSuite offers a wide array of features from accounting to CRM, inventory management, and beyond. But here's the catch. Many of these features might not be necessary for smaller businesses. If you're just looking for basic accounting, options like Zoho Books or Xero might offer everything you need without the extra complexities. The fifth thing is integration. NetSuite integrates well with other tools, but if you already use certain software for your operations, you might face compatibility issues. While tools like QuickBooks and Xero have extensive integrations with popular apps, NetSuite's integrations might require additional customization. Next, reporting is another area where NetSuite stands out. The software provides powerful reporting features that allow you to generate financial reports and track KPIs in real time. For growing companies that need detailed insights, this is a huge advantage. However, if you're a smaller business or a freelancer, these reports might feel overwhelming. Seventh, let's talk about customer support. NetSuite's customer support is available, but it can be slow, especially when you're just starting out and need guidance. Compared to alternatives like QuickBooks, which have extensive customer support resources, NetSuite may not offer the same level of immediate assistance. The eighth thing you should know is that NetSuite provides a great deal of flexibility, but this can also lead to complexity. For businesses that need to customize workflows and reports, NetSuite offers great flexibility. But for companies without dedicated teams for customization, this can lead to a confusing user experience. Next, NetSuite's mobile app is useful, but not perfect. While it does offer mobile access to your accounting data, it's not as intuitive or streamlined as other solutions like Xero's app, which is more polished and user-friendly. The 10th thing to consider is the implementation process. As mentioned, NetSuite is powerful, but the setup can take a while, often requiring specialized knowledge. If you're comparing this to cloud-based software like FreshBooks, you'll notice that setup for those platforms is typically faster and more intuitive. The 11th thing is security. NetSuite offers strong security features, which is important for any business that handles sensitive financial data. It's compliant with global standards, unlike some less secure options. However, if your needs are less complex, you might be able to stick with more affordable solutions that offer basic security features. Finally, although NetSuite is an excellent choice for larger businesses, it may not be ideal for very small businesses or startups. If you're just starting out or have a smaller operation, it could be more than you need. Simpler tools like QuickBooks or Xero might be a better fit in terms of ease of use, pricing, and functionality. So, is NetSuite worth it? For larger businesses with complex accounting needs, it's a solid option. However, if you're looking for something simpler and more affordable, you might want to consider our recommended solution that you can try for free. It's an excellent alternative that might be a better fit for your business.